Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. A quick video today. I just wanted to announce the winner of my Stationery Pal giveaway. Thank you so much to all of you that entered. I really appreciate your comments, your support on my channel. I do recognize many of your names, of you commenting often, so I truly appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to announce the winner, but I'm also going to show you after the latest haul from In Love Arts. I have so many goodies. I can't wait to show you because I'm actually working on a project with some of those goodies that I will show you in a future video. But for now, I thought I would just quickly do the announcement because it's I've been waiting to do this video and I just had to do it quick. I will have some tutorials as well. I know many of you wanted to see how I put this together. If you haven't seen this, I will link the video below. I'm also working on the mini journal that you all wanted to see. So I'll be showing you some of that as well. And then I've got another quick project that you can make it with in a couple hours. And it's just so fun to share with friends. So I've got those videos coming up. So stay tuned. Thank you all so much again. Okay, so the winner of the Stationery Pal giveaway is Lil Nort 3669. Congratulations. I will put the email where you can reply to me in the description of the video. And if I don't hear back from you within a few days, then I'll draw another name. So congratulations. Thank you all so much for entering. And now let me show you the quick haul from In Love Arts. So this is a small haul. I started with an embossing folder. I love this design and I can't wait to try it out. I also got this these dies that I really wanted to try, the little dresses. I think these will go well with that project that I just showed you. My little tab bound project that I showed you with the little house. So I think I'm going to add some of those. I got this snowflake, large snowflake with the one in the center. And I think this is just perfect for any winter projects, of course. So you'll probably be seeing this one in a project soon. I've got the wreath as well, which of course, you know, depending on what papers you use, you can just use it for any season really. So I can't wait to show you how this one comes out. And this little mug with all the little extras on it. It is so adorable. Again, I'll show you how I'm using this in a project. I'm so excited actually about the project I'm going to show you in my next video. I think it'll give you some ideas as well. They sent this little extra stamp. They always send a little extra gift, I believe. It says so on their site if you spend a certain amount of money. They do have free shipping over a certain amount. And I do have a coupon code for you to use if you wanted to purchase something in their shop. It is Liz. That is your code. But I will also put it in the description box below. Another thing I wanted to try out is the stencils because, you know, you can always use stencils with any project. So I thought these ones would be perfect to add to my collection. And of course, it's great to add, you know, to a page when you're working on something. I ended up getting this set as well, which is really interesting. It's a layered stencil, so it's like these tulips, I guess. So you've got your base and then you've got your little flower top. So I think this will be really nice to work with as well. I can't wait to try this out. And it looks like it'll make a nice background for maybe a greeting card as well. I wanted to get these stencils as well for the fairies because, you know, these are just so lovely looking. And if you're making any of your fairy projects, these would be great to add to a page or, you know, to add to a tag or something. So I think this is a nice stencil set as well. The other dies that I got were this set of 3, which is these nice large circles with hello and love and I can't tell you, hugs. And I thought that this would also be nice, of course, you know, for various projects. And this is another one that I think is super fun for Christmas, of course. And then if you don't use the Santa, you know, in the project, then of course you could use this for various projects in the future. All right, my friends, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Questions, comments, leave them below. And I will see you very soon with some tutorials and some project shares. Thanks so much for stopping by.